Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn on dark mode on Snapchat. So, the first thing you want to do is download the Snapchat app, and once it's downloaded, make sure the app is updated. To do that, go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for Snapchat. Now, make sure your Snapchat app is updated. Once the app is updated, simply open the app. After that, go to your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen and then tap on the gear icon which is on the top right side of your screen. Now scroll down and then you can see an option named App Appearances. Now as you can see, my Snapchat is currently on light mode, but if I tap on Always Dark, it will turn dark mode, and there is also an option named Match System which matches the dark mode or light mode according to which your iPhone is currently on. So if you turn on light mode on your iPhone device, your Snapchat will also be on light mode, but if you turn on dark mode on your iPhone, your Snapchat will also be dark mode. So this is the basic function of Match System, but you could always choose always light or always dark depending upon your preferences. So that is how you enable dark mode on Snapchat on your iPhone device. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.